Coconut oil and honey mixture, powerful remedy that will stop cough instantly. Do you or your closest friends or family cough? Then you definitely have to try this healthy, homemade sweets. The sweets are made from all natural ingredients, they soothe coughing, and you can take them as a preventive because of their ability to strengthen the immune system. Ingredients: 100 milliliters coconut oil, 100 grams raw honey, a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon, optional. Preparation: whip the coconut oil until frothy. Add honey and keep whisking until you get a homogeneous mixture. Finally, add cinnamon and combine all the ingredients together. Pour the mixture into ice trays and put them in the freezer for 20 minutes. Take the sweets off the ice trays, transfer them to a drawer and keep it in the fridge. Use these candies preventively, thanks to the fact that coconut oil and honey strengthen the immune system. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.